All right, what's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be talking about APLE, also known as Apple Hospitality REIT, and they are going to be traded on the NYSE. So, for their company overview here, it states that Apple Hospitality REIT, also known as APLE, is a publicly traded real estate investment trust, also known as a REIT, that owns one of the largest and most diverse portfolios of upscale, rooms-focused hotels in the United States. Apple Hospitality's portfolio consists of 220 hotels with approximately 29,000 guest rooms located in 87 markets throughout 37 states. Concentrated with industry-leading brands, the company's portfolio consists of 96 Marriott-branded hotels, 119 Hilton-branded hotels, 4 Hyatt-branded hotels, and 1 independent hotel. And then down below, again, it kind of gives that breakout for their total portfolio of the 220 hotels. Just under that 29,000 guest rooms located across 37 states and 87 markets. So again, they're spanning across, what seems like, the majority of the United States. But what I like to see here is it's different hotels, right? There's, it's mainly the Marriott and then the Hiltons. But what I do like is on their website, you can actually see the different hotels. Like, it'll actually show you a picture of what the hotels look like, what state, what city they're located in. So it's pretty interesting to kind of go through, see what markets they're in, what cities they're kind of targeting. But I think too, as people start to get out and travel more, hotel industries and businesses like this are definitely going to thrive. All right, so for their dividend history, we can see here that their dividend yield is 5.65%, which is going to lead to an annual dividend of 96 cents. And they're also going to be monthly payers as well for that dividend. At the time of filming this video, they're trading at $16.40 a share. Their 52-week low is $13.79, and their 52-week high is $18.69. So they're kind of in the middle, but more so leaning to that 52-week high number. Looking back a few years though for trend for APLE, it's kind of showing that ever since 2020, they've been starting to scale back up on their stock price and things like that. And even over the past 2 years, we can see that they've had a trend in a positive direction. Obviously, you're starting to see more people travel than back in 2020, things like that. So, obviously the hotel rooms are going to be filling up a lot more. There's going to be more consumers, things like that. So definitely good to see. It'll be interesting too to see again, how Q1, Q2 play out for next year. If that's something that they can maintain this positive trend. So definitely be on the lookout for that to see how well that tracks and plays out. All right, so for a final rating here for APLE, I'd have to give them around a 7.5, I'd say. Typically, I feel like I've never really seen a REIT that focuses predominantly on hotels until researching more into this company. It was very cool though to see all of the different markets that they did have a hotel and service in. I like seeing the physical building to kind of see what it looks like on the outside. But again, I do see a positive trend, between a few years back and, of current. And I think that's something that, as we see people, starting to get out more and travel more and, go visit family or go on, a business trip to a different city, obviously they're probably going to need to stay in a hotel. And when you have a big book of business in, the hotel market, they're probably going to be staying at one of those. So again, definitely something to keep your guys' eyes on. Do some more research, and even see what hotels they have to offer. But yeah, drop a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what stocks you guys want to see in future videos, and things like that. But Yeah, just let me know and I can make a video on one of those, and I'll see you guys on the next one.